Hello everyone, my name is Ghansham. I'm your Spanish teacher. You're welcome to Superfast Spanish course for quick learners. Today we are going to learn lesson 9. I hope you enjoy my previous 8 lessons. So before watching this lesson, I request you watch my previous lesson because every lesson is depend on the previous lesson. If you want to the mastering in Spanish, you want to learn very effectively, then don't miss any lesson in the middle. So let's start today lesson 9. The first word of lesson 9 is to see. How will you say to see in Spanish? To see is a verb which means where. Where. Repeat where. Where. So to see means where. Where. Now how will you say I see? I see. You will say yo vio. Yo vio. Yo vio. I see. Yo vio. Yo vio. Next word is you see. You see. How will you say in Spanish? Tú ves. Tú ves. Repeat. Tú ves. So, your. Your is tú. 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 Your means tú. So, now how will you say I want to see your car? How will you make the sentence in Spanish? I want to see your car. You will say Quiero ver tu coche. Repeat. Quiero ver tu coche. Repeat once. Quiero ver tu coche. I want to see your car. Quiero ver tu coche. Quiero ver tu coche. Next word is can I see the menu? How will you say? Yes, you will say puedo ver la carta. Puedo ver la carta. Puedo ver la carta. So how will you say can I see the menu? You will say puedo ver la carta. Puedo ver la carta. Next word is we see. We see. You will say nosotros vemos. Nosotros vemos. Repeat once. Nosotros vemos. So, we see means nosotros vemos. Nosotros vemos. How will you say we see the books? We see the books. You will say nosotros vemos los libros. Nosotros vemos los libros. We see the books. Nosotros vemos los libros. Nosotros vemos los libros. How will you say they see in Spanish? They see. You will say ellos ven. Ellos ven. They see. Ellos ven. Ellos ven. We are going to see our friends. If you are going to see your feminine friend, then you will say, what will you say? Yes, you will say, vamos a ver a nuestras amigas. Vamos a ver a nuestras amigas. Vamos a ver a nuestras amigas. We are going to see our friends. Vamos a ver nuestras amigas. Vamos a ver a nuestras amigas. He watches TV. He watches TV. You will say, él ve la televisión. Él ve la televisión. Él ve la televisión. He watches TV. You will say, él ve la televisión. Él ve la televisión. Next sentence is, I see the dog. How will you say in Spanish, I see the dog? You will say, yes, you will say, yo veo al perro. Yo veo al perro. Yo veo al perro. I see the dog. Yo veo al perro. Yo veo el perro. Next sentence is we saw everything. We saw everything. You make this sentence in Spanish. Nosotros lo vimos todos. Nosotros lo vimos todo. Nosotros lo vimos todo. So, we saw everything. You will say, nosotros lo vimos todo. Nosotros lo vimos todo. Yes, I want to see the museum. Yes, I want to see the museum. You will say, sí, yo quiero ver el museo. Sí, yo quiero ver el museo. Yes, I want to see the museum. Sí, yo quiero ver el museo. We read this museo. Next sentence is, we are going to see John. We are going to see John. How will you make in Spanish? You will say, vamos a ver a Juan. Vamos a ver a Juan. Yes, we are going to see John. Vamos a ver a Juan. Vamos a ver a Juan. Next sentence is, whom did you see? Whom did you see? You will make, yes, you will say, a quién viste. A quién viste. Speak once, a quién viste. Whom did you see? A quién viste. A quién viste. Next sentence is, have you seen this movie? How will you make this sentence? Yes, you will make, has visto esta película. Has visto esta película. Has visto esta película. Have you seen this movie? Has visto esta película. Has visto esta película. Now, next sentence is, no, I have not seen it. No, I have not seen it. You will say, yes, you will say, no, yo no la he visto. No, yo no la he visto. No, yo no la he visto. So, repeat after me. No, I have not seen it. No, yo no la he visto. No, yo no la he visto. Next sentence is, can I see the room first? How will you make this sentence? Yes, you will make, puedo ver la habitación primero. Repeat, puedo ver la habitación primero. Puedo ver la habitación primero. Can I see the room first? Puedo ver la habitación primero. Puedo ver la habitación primero. I can't see. How will you make this sentence? I can't see. You will say, no puedo ver. No puedo ver. I can't see. No puedo ver. No puedo ver. So, the next sentence is, they see the paintings. They see the paintings. You will make this sentence, ellos ven los cuadros. Ellos ven los cuadros. Ellos ven los cuadros. Yes. They see the paintings. How will you say? Ellos ven los cuadros. Ellos ven los cuadros. Ellos ven los cuadros. Next sentence is, we have seen it. How will you make this sentence? You will make, la hemos visto. La hemos visto. La hemos visto. We have seen it. We have seen it. So you will say, la hemos visto. La hemos visto. Did you see the film? Did you see the film? You will make this sentence, viste la película. Viste la película. Viste la película. Did you see the film? Viste la película. Viste la película. Next sentence is I saw the film. I saw the film. You will make this sentence? Yes, you will make Yo vi la película. Yo vi la película. How will you say? You say Yo vi la película. I saw the film. Yo vi la película. Repeat once. Yo vi la película. Next sentence is my. You will say my, me, me. So my is me in Spanish. I want my pen. How will you make this sentence? Yes, you will say Quiero mi pluma. Quiero mi pluma. Repeat once. Quiero mi pluma. I want my pen. Quiero mi pluma. Quiero mi pluma. Next sentence is why do you want my computer? You will make this sentence. Yes. ¿Por qué quieres mi ordenador? ¿Por qué quieres mi ordenador? ¿Por qué quieres mi ordenador? Why do you want my computer? ¿Por qué quieres mi ordenador? ¿Por qué quieres mi ordenador? No, I don't want to see it now. No, I don't want to see it now. You will say, no, no quiero verlo ahora. No, no quiero verlo ahora. No, I don't want to see it now. No, no quiero verlo ahora. Next sentence is, yes, I want to see it, please. You will make this sentence. Yes, you will make. Sí, quiero verlo, por favor. Sí, quiero verlo, por favor. Sí, quiero verlo, por favor. Yes, I want to see it, please. Sí, quiero verlo, por favor. Sí, quiero verlo, por favor. Do you want to do it? Do you want to do it? You will make this sentence. ¿Quieres hacerlo? ¿Quiere hacerlo? ¿Quiere hacerlo? Do you want to do it? Yes, you will say ¿Quieres hacerlo? ¿Quiere hacerlo? Yes, I want to do it. How will you make it? Yes, I want to do it. You will say sí quiero hacerlo. Sí quiero hacerlo. Sí quiero hacerlo. Yes, I want to do it. Sí quiero hacerlo. Sí quiero hacerlo. Why do you want to see it? You will make the sentence. Yes, you will make. ¿Por qué quieres verlo? ¿Por qué quieres verlo? ¿Por qué quieres verlo? Why do you want to see it? ¿Por qué quieres verlo? ¿Por qué quieres verlo? I don't want to see it. Thank you. You will make this sentence. No quiero verlo. Gracias. No quiero verlo. Gracias. Repeat me. No quiero verlo. Gracias. I don't want to see it. Thank you. No quiero verlo. Gracias. No quiero verlo. Gracias. Do you want a coffee? How will you say, do you want a coffee? Yes, you will say, ¿Quieres un café? ¿Quieres un café? Do you want a coffee? ¿Quieres un café? ¿Quieres un café? Yes, please. Sí, por favor. Sí, por favor. Sí, por favor. Yes, please. Sí, por favor. Sí, por favor. Do you want a beer? Yes, you will say, ¿Quieres un cerveza? ¿Quieres una cerveza? ¿Quieres una cerveza? Do you want a beer? ¿Quieres una cerveza? ¿Quieres una cerveza? No, thank you. You will say no, thank you. You will say no, gracias. No, gracias. No, thank you. no gracias. So thank you for watching my lesson 9. I hope you enjoy this lesson 9 and you learn something new things in this lesson. Just repeat this lesson 2 or 3 times to mastering in this lesson, and after the completion this lesson give the test, so which help you how you understand and how you are comfortable in this lesson. If you want to learn Spanish with the grammar, vocabulary, verbs, then you watch my other course. It will completely designed by using the grammar and each all the things. So thank you for watching my this video lecture lesson 9, and watch the next lesson for becoming a master in Spanish. Thank you. Gracias. Adios.